how to make a quick mug cake?
I do want to learn.
Okay, for that you have to follow me into my
Kitchen!
Hi everyone, welcome to Spoonful of Love. So these are the ingredients for mug cake. Here I have taken all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, cocoa powder, oil. You can take olive oil, coconut oil or any vegetable oil, milk, salt, baking powder and Chocochips. Now let's start with the mixing process.
So are you ready?
Yes, Mama!
Now start with adding 4 teaspoons of all-purpose flour in each mug. Now add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder in each mug. Now add 3 teaspoons of powdered sugar in each mug. Very good. Now add just a pinch of salt in each mug. Yes, that's it. Well done. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder in each mug. Wait, let me help you. Now mix the dry ingredients. Yes. Very good. Give it a good mix. That's it. Now we will add the wet ingredients. Now we will add 2 teaspoons of oil of your choice into each mug. Give it a mix. we will add 5 teaspoons of milk. One, two, 3, 4, and 5. Now add 1 teaspoon full of Chocochips in each mug and give it a good stir. Now mix well so that there are no lumps and the mixture is smooth just like a ribbon. Now top it up with 1 more teaspoon of Chocochips. This time we are not going to mix it. Now pop them up in microwave just for 2 minutes. Kids are so excited to decorate their own cupcakes. They are almost done and they are so excited. Two, one, and done. Here I am checking it if they are done. Yes, they are done as the knife came out clean. Now kids are going to decorate it as per their own choice. Uday is going to decorate it with some choco spread. Here he is spreading the choco spread. And here goes the cherry on the top. With some more choco chips. Jasmine loves chocolate syrup. So here she is going to decorate it with some chocolate syrup. And now top it up with some colored sprinklers. And yes, we are done.
Thank you, Mama. We love you so much.
My pleasure.